Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. Open Artlab book page number 14. Today we will draw and color a butterfly. We need pencil, color pencil and crayons. Write HW here. We will follow the step one by one. Step 1. Draw a circle. And draw like this. This is the central part of butterfly. Yes, like this. Now step 2. We will draw its antennas and two big wings. Draw neatly and properly. Yes. Now step 3. We will draw two small wings of it. Like this. In step 4. We will draw same pattern in big two wings like this. Yes. Okay. And we will draw small circle in small wings. Let's start coloring the butterfly. I choose black color for its head. You can choose color of our own choice. Brown color for this part. Now I am going to use red color in big wings and yellow color in small wings. Color neatly and properly. I am going to use pink color for this part of pattern and blue color for this part. Now I am going to use green color in circles. Students, we will give it outline with black color like this. Students, I have completed. Do it at your home. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.